Welcome to Abbas Gallery channel. Nissan has a new compact crossover joining the fray for 2018, and you've probably seen it before. The Nissan Kicks went on sale last year in certain markets outside the US, and it'll finally coming to a dealership near you in June of next year, assuming you live in America. But wait, doesn't Nissan already have a compact CUV to compete with the likes of the Chevy Trax and Honda HR-V? Not anymore. The Juke is gone for 2018, replaced by the significantly less polarizing Kicks. The 2018 Nissan Kicks will start well under $19,000. That means it'll be a few $1,000s less expensive than the Juke it replaces, before incentives, naturally. And that's likely a big reason why the Juke is kicked to the curb. And don't expect the Kicks to follow the Juke down the turbocharged path of pint-sized pocket rocket, either. Power for the Kicks will come from a 1.6-liter four-cylinder with 125 horsepower and 115 pound-feet of torque. Those ponies will be routed to the front wheels only through a continuously variable transmission. So, it's no powerhouse, and its lack of all-wheel drive mean it's more of a tall hatchback than a pseudo-off-roader. But it'll be fuel efficient. Nissan expects the Kicks will score a 33 mpg combined rating from the EPA. And the Kicks will be highly customizable, with multiple two-tone paint schemes on the menu, including an eye-searingly bright gray pumpkin orange with contrasting black roof. See for yourself in our high-res image gallery up above, and stay tuned for more coverage from the 2017 LA Auto Show.
Invincible.